Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you a very easy concept how to create gradient background in Canva, right? So as you can see, we are into Canva and we have just simply selected a blank template, and here we are going to the elements, and here we would be searching for gradient. Okay, so we are into the gradient, and here you can see there are lots of photos, right? We can select any photo and then we can simply set it as a background, and then we can simply change the color from here. For example, if I want green and yellow color, then it could be like this, or if I want pink, or the another color I want is of red, I can put it like this. Similarly, you can select any other gradient as well. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.